Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. So today I want to talk about the 11 assurances which is put in Shirdi and in every Baba Mandir. It will be more like a revision for you, for me, and for everyone. The first, but I will not be, maybe I will talk about this week and next week. I will divide it and then I will tell you my reasons for why I follow or why I have never followed that, so that you will be able to understand what, for me, according to me, is the Baba's assurances. Baba has said, whosoever puts their feet on Shirdi soil, their sufferings will come to end. For Unfortunately, I have never been to Shirdi, but I know one thing, that in this case, whenever I have just called on Baba, all my sufferings have come to an end. Maybe Baba has not. Baba has felt that the divine timing has not come, or maybe Baba knows my health and my leg pain, and that is the reason Baba doesn't call me to Shirdi also. And he says, wherever you are, you name your house in my name and I shall be there. And that's one of the reasons for Dwarka Mai, naming my house. The wretched and miserable will rise to joy and happiness as soon as they climb the steps of the mosque. Now, this again, I feel, if you call him with your heart, everything falls in place, and he is always there to love you unconditionally and to be there for you unconditionally. The third one, he says, even after leaving the body, he will be active and vigorous. 100%, not 100%, 10,000% true. Whenever I have called on him, or whenever I have felt I am low, I have always seen him showing his presence and blessing me and giving me a path. My tomb shall bless and speak to the needs of my devotees. It is not only his tomb. Whenever you touch Baba's feet, I don't know how many of you have felt that whenever I go and sit in a Baba's temple, and when I look into his eyes and when I tell him something, I feel from there he's talking to me, he's answering, and many a times he has answered me so beautifully that, words are very less. And I just feel that he just talks to you. And when you touch the feet, sometimes the vibrations of his feet will just open your third eye and give you the answer then and there. And it says, I shall be active and vigorous even from my tomb. That is also true. In Baba's tomb, I have heard many stories where people have gone to Dwarka Mai, and when they have seen the place where he was rested, and when they come out, they have felt beautiful and different energies. The sixth point is, my mortal remains will speak from my tomb. That is also true. He speaks from wherever he is. It is not necessary that his remains has to speak. Just call on him and say, today I would suggest whoever follows Baba, just sit in front of him, near his photo, speak to him, talk to him, and you see how beautifully you get your answers. You will be shocked to see the way he answers. So these are the first 6 assurances. The other 5 assurances, I will speak about it in the next week, as to what it is and why it is and why I feel connected with those. So let's see what Baba has to answer. Manifestations. So Baba says he is going to come and help you with your manifestations. He is going to bless you, he is going to love you, and he is going to be there for you, and he is going to see to it that your wishes are coming true. So maybe, let me see, I want to pull one more card today. Okay, now this is donate, giving and receiving. Today, do one thing. In the morning, in the evening, during the Aarti time, Baba's Aarti time, what you can do is just affirm this 21 times. I am an abundant being of light. I am an abundant being of light. And also, because it says giving and receiving, today I would say that give someone, donate some clothes, some money to someone who is in need, and I'm sure Baba is going to be there smiling at you happily, and Baba is going to bless you with whatever is your desires for your wishes to come true. But do it happily, do it gracefully, and do it with the intent that Baba is blessing you, and not whatever you're giving is coming back to you 10 times, because that again is a selfish motive. Just give, thinking Baba has asked you to give and nothing else, and Baba knows when, where, and how to help you, to make you come up in your life, and to help you in manifesting your desires and make you happy. With that, I am leaving today saying Om Sai Ram to all you lovely people.